Cleaning company owners, welcome back. It's Rick from Cleaning Launch, and today I'm going to talk about the 3 phases of growing a cleaning business. Because everything I teach you guys is exactly how I built my 7-figure commercial cleaning business in only 3 years. You can look it up. It's called Mastery Cleaning. And my goal here today is to help you build a big cleaning company. Because I see so many cleaning company owners, they're cleaning 24/7 and they're never building a cleaning business. And if you want to earn like a business owner, you really need to treat this differently. And that's what we're going to go over today. So this is the 3 phases of growing your commercial cleaning business. All right. So we all start as a cleaner. I worked for 6 cleaning companies in my life. I was a cleaning subcontractor for other companies, and I cleaned hundreds and hundreds of houses. And when I first started closing my own commercial contracts, I cleaned it myself because I didn't have money to pay other people. So I was cleaning it myself, and I reinvested that money in growing the business. Okay, guys? So as a cleaner, you can have up to 5 commercial contracts, or you can have many residential clients. And this is the trap that most cleaning company owners will never escape. Okay? And that's because they never focused on getting more commercial contracts. In order to go from here to here, you need to be making at least 10 to 15,000 a month minimum recurring income. So once you close about 10 to 15K a month, you really want to stop cleaning and invest your time in getting more commercial contracts. And at this level, you will be the manager and supervisor of your business. So at this level, you should not be cleaning contracts, you should be supervising them. So on this level, you have cleaners cleaning the contracts for you, okay? And your job is to be their supervisor, to pay them, to inspect them, to train them on a new contract, to do the walkthrough with them, and to answer client emails, okay? That's your job. And you will also be doing walkthroughs for new contracts, and you will also be your own salesperson. So then you can invest more time in marketing and sales. And that's how you close commercial contracts, is marketing and sales. Those 2 is what keeps the business growing. So just to summarize this, once you get to this level, you will be hiring people, interviewing them, doing new walkthroughs, quotes. You will be doing cold calling, marketing. You'll be inspecting your employees, you'll be training them, answering client emails, so basic customer service, just the basic operations. And then let's say 20% of your time is spent managing people, okay? And then I want you guys to focus 80% of the effort into getting more commercial contracts. So once you get to this level as an owner, and I'll say about 60K a month, 50K a month, that's when you can start hiring people for this specific role. Okay, so you hire a general manager that will help you do inspections, interview people, hire them, do walkthroughs, the quotes, okay? And then you have another person doing cold calls every single day for you on your behalf. And then you have supervisors where they manage the cleaners with more one-on-one effort, and they can do more inspections. And when you're at this level, that's when you can step back and let the business run itself, okay? When you're at this level, you need to ask yourself, can I take a 2-month vacation and my business still run and grow without me? That's a question you should ask. This is the beauty about creating a system that works for you. Imagine this, all it matters is the client's happy and you fulfill operations and everything's running smoothly. As long as everything's running smoothly, that's a money tree right there. And that's how you create a system that works for you. At the end of the day, if you want to have a lifestyle like a business owner, you need to think as a business owner. And as a business owner, we create a business that can work without us, okay? Because if you're always cleaning, you break a leg or the client cancels on you, you're done. I want to be honest with you, I've been in every single situation within the cleaning business. And the best thing you can do for yourself is create something today that will pay for your future. And my biggest regret is not starting my business sooner. And we all have a business, but we haven't scaled to that level where it grows and operates without us. And that's what I want for you, because I live in a whole different city where I started my commercial cleaning business, and every single month I keep bringing new contracts in and I keep getting checks from clients. And that's because I have people working for my system that I created about 3-4 years ago. And now I don't even worry about it. I don't worry about emails because I have a manager doing that. And that's what I want for you. I want you to create a system that works for you instead of cleaning for the next 10-15 years. You can either go clean and make $300-$500 a day, which is amazing, or you can focus on building a big commercial cleaning business. So guys, don't make the same mistake I did and I see so many people make, and that's doing the business with no roadmap. Imagine being a dentist with no experience trying to remove a wisdom teeth. Like, you're gonna do a horrible job if it's your first time with no training. But if you had a 3-month training working with someone who already built a 7-figure commercial cleaning business, you would start growing right away. And even if you don't, we don't stop working with you until you start making money. So it's zero risk for you. So click below where I have a free training showing you exactly how to build a 7-figure commercial cleaning business. Alright guys, and you can either join our program or we can work one-on-one with either myself or my team so you can start closing commercial cleaning contracts right away. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, check out my other videos below, and turn on notifications and follow my Instagram. And don't forget to click below. See you guys soon.